Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. I hope you all are doing great. I'm also good. My name is Preeti and today is day 14 of Speaking English challenge for 21 days. So guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about, you know what? Sometimes we wait for the right time. So we wait for the right time to do any particular things which we want to do in our life. So I must say, if you want to achieve something, if you want to learn something in your life, so you don't need to wait the right time because right time is never come. You know what? People always thought this thing I'll do tomorrow and maybe in coming days, and they have many goals, but they didn't work upon their goals, and they wait always to tomorrow and right time is never come. So guys, why I'm saying this? Because earlier I was thinking like this, and I didn't focus on my goals and anything which I had to do that time. Because if you don't do any work on a right time when you should do, so later then you have only on regret. Because if you don't want to feel regret in your upcoming days, so just try to start something in your 2 days, because we don't know what will happen tomorrow. Because uh, you already know life is uncertain. So we only have desire, and we can work upon our any particular work. So that is why we should do our best to achieve something as soon as possible. So guys, why I want to say this? Because I want to talk about especially English. So like, first we always thought, once I achieve good command over what can I say, grammar, so later I will definitely start to speaking English. So earlier I was thought like this, but that is didn't work for me. Because if you don't start to speaking, so you never you can't never speak. Because if you want to learn something, so you have to experience this, I mean physically. You don't need to I mean, you if you always uh, thought in your mind and you don't do action about this particular work, so that is not going to help you. So guys, sometimes we thought, if I have this thing, so this that thing, so then I start this work. So if I talk about especially English, and it could be any work, so I think you don't need to wait the right time, because you should start from today itself. If you start today, so later and upcoming days you will never regret which all things I want to do, so I didn't do in my earlier days. So guys, just start to speaking English, no matter what all mistake you do, and you should start just. So guys, usually we need always motivation and all things in our life, because we are human. So sometimes we feel uh, so many things in our mind, so that is why it's happened. But it means not like that we should not work upon our skills and any work which we want to do in our life. So guys, sometime I also thought, if I have this thing, so then I start this work. But I think we should not any motivation, and we should not any support from other. Because if we always want to any support from other and motivation, so I think this is not going to happen in your whole life. Because if I talk about myself, so especially I must say, no one is here to support me in any particular thing. Because if I want to achieve something in my life, so I have to do my own. Because no one is going to push you every day, you have to achieve this and you have to achieve that. So you are the one of your biggest supporter in your life. You should push yourself ahead, no matter what all things and difficulties coming in your journey. So just sometime keep motivate your mind by yourself. Because sometime if we watch any video, motivation video on YouTube, so it can only affect you 1 hour and sometime later. But later then you have to just do by yourself, because no one is there to support you. So that's why, guys, I want to say, if you have some burning desire inside you to do something in your life, especially I'm talking about English. Because people always scared to start their journey in English, because they must scared about judgment. So guys, if I talk about in our country, so in Indian country, so many people are there in our society, they can judge you always. So it means not like that you have to leave this country. Because if I talk about our foreigners, so I think if their English is not perfect, and if they speak broken English, so they are not judge each other. Because as I watched their video earlier, so they are not judge each other. Like if they do any mistake, so they just try to understand what all things people want to say front of them, but they just don't judge other. But it is not like that in India. So if you scared about this, so I think many people can judge me also, and many people can judge other, because it's a society and world. There here we can face so many difficulties in our life. So guys, as you can say, I'm also learner in English, so I do so many mistakes still. But I try to become confident day by day, try to learn something new. And no matter how much English I know yet, but I just try to push up myself ahead. And I don't have any motivation and any supporter to particular thing which work I want to do in my life. If I don't work upon my skills and which goal I want to achieve, so I think no one is here support me. Especially if I talk about my family, so no one is going to push you ahead. You have to work upon your skills and upon your dreams which you want to achieve. So guys, last but not the least, you are the one up. You have to support yourself, and later you can feel proud of yourself. Because once you start something in your life, so if you enjoying the that particular journey, so you never stopped this. So that is why if you want to learn this language, if you are a beginner, so please just try to start from today, because tomorrow is never come. And that's why my motive is always come to this type of uh, topic, because I want to say something which I can relate with me, and also who all are beginner in this language. So you are watching this video till the end, so this video is going to help you. And if you can relate with me, so please just start from today and try to hard work upon your skills and which all things you want to achieve in your life. So guys, these all things I want to say in this video. So that's it for today's video, and I'll come with a new topic from uh, sorry tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.